Hello people, today I wanted to quickly show to you one of the things how to use this tool so you can loft two shapes together, because I connected two polygons by using this tool, Bsurfaces, but you can use this tool in lots of different ways. Okay, I will add mesh. I need a cylinder. I think in y-axis I rotate it to 90 degrees, and I need only a couple of segments, and later on after that I will have to copy polygon in edit mode, so we can bridge it together. Wait a minute, Shift D. Because if you copy in edit mode, you will have only one polygon, but two separate polygons, but as one. After that, I will have to select this object, because you will generate lofted shape when we draw shapes, because we need the three shapes here. Okay, I will have to select edges. Shift S cursor to selected. We need to switch to orthographic mode to be able to set cursor, because this is actually important when you place cursor properly. The best in the middle. I think I will have to do again. Shift S cursor to selected, and again Shift S cursor to selected, and it will be in the middle. And now I will have to switch to side view. I will have to draw shapes as quick as possible, because TikTok does not support long videos. We will be generating grease pencil. Wait a minute. I think I will have to delete shape, and I will have to switch. This one I will deselect. Wait a minute. Why I cannot draw shape? I forgotten. I have to be in grease pencil mode. Sorry people, this was my fault. 3D cursor. (11). When you draw a shape, make sure. Oh no, I should draw once again. It has to be open shape. It has to have graph. I don't. One thing which really annoys me, because I have to draw once again, unfortunately in orthographic viewport, another shape. I will have to get back to you in a minute. I like this feature because my dog wants to wee, so I have to use pause, and I will get back to you. Okay people, sorry, I had to use pause to get back to you, unfortunately. When we select our grease pencil, you can still draw shapes. But when you are in draw mode, this shape is supposed to be bigger, and it will have large gap. I'm a little bit angry that TikTok does not support longer video. You can only record up to 10 minutes. A longer video will not be uploaded to TikTok, but I'm focusing on publishing video tutorial. I still got like I still have got 5 minutes, and you have to have pencil selected in outliner to be able to draw. I think I will draw smaller. I check it. Oh, I got 3D cursor selection. You have to have gap when you see this. Object mode. I think I will save once again. There is option when you can go to edit mode and you can simplify your strokes. It will have less points. And we need to have this selected, and you need to select the grease pencil, and you have to have selection of the polygons properly. Oh, wait a minute, I done something wrong. Okay, now I selected, and we have to have points deselected. I have to check if this tool will work properly. Actually, this is working great. I am amazed. Loops on strokes. It all depends what shape it is, but I can still edit grease pencil shape. Wait a minute, because I'm looking for points. What? Oh, come on, grease pencil, what are you doing? Why I cannot select points? No, Mika, no. No, Mika, no. Mika, nie. Sorry, my dog is interrupting me. I cannot be focused on my dog, because I have to finish my video tutorial. I think I will have to scale this little bit. Oh no. This is my fault, because I should not have this selected. No, this has to be selected as I showed it to you. Oh, I will have to check something. Now we have proper shape which we have generated, and this is what we want. You have to be accurate when you work with shapes like that, because they aren't the same, but at least polygon, at least that tool works as expected. We got an option automatic join. We can close this gap. It looks like a zip when you look closer. I hope you like my video tutorial. I'm lucky because I managed to do 8 minutes video. This is what you can do with Bsurfaces. I showed you another method. This is method 4th method. What you can use. There are 2 more possibilities, or even more than that, and this tool is free. This tool is open source add-on, which is inside Blender. It is built in inside Blender, but you have to go to preferences. In option add-ons, you have to type, because by default this tool is not open. We got version 8.1.8, 1.8.1 version. Okay, see, I must finish my video tutorial because it is almost 10 minutes long.